Hey there! Are you a small business owner or an entrepreneur looking for the perfect hosting solution for your WordPress site? Maybe you're tired of the constant hassle of monthly fees and the uncertainty of fluctuating costs. Well, I've got something exciting for you. Imagine a hosting solution that takes away all those worries. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer on Hostverge's lifetime WordPress hosting. Now, let's dive in and explore what makes this offer so special. Imagine never having to worry about monthly hosting fees again. That's right, a one-time payment and you're set for life. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not just a dream, it's a reality with Hostverge. Hostverge is making that dream a reality with their lifetime hosting subscriptions. This means you can focus on growing your business without the constant worry of hosting costs. Pay once, and you're set for life. No more recurring fees, ever. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about saving money. They offer a robust and reliable hosting service that ensures your website runs smoothly. They offer unlimited bandwidth, unlimited storage, and unlimited email accounts. That's right, unlimited. Whether you're running a small blog or an e-commerce giant, you can trust that Hostverge has got you covered. Their infrastructure is designed to handle websites of all sizes. Security is a top priority too. Hostverge provides advanced security features to protect your site from threats. You'll get daily backups, SSL certificates, and DDoS protection to keep your site fast and secure. Plus, with 24/7 customer support, you'll never feel left out in the cold. Their support team is always ready to assist you with any issues you might face. Now, I know what you're thinking. Unlimited resources? What's the catch? Hostverge's robust infrastructure ensures that your site can handle traffic spikes effortlessly. Their servers are optimized for performance, so your site's speed won't be compromised. Your site's performance won't take a hit no matter how popular you get. And let's talk about ease of use. Hostverge offers one-click installations for popular platforms like WordPress and Joomla. This means you can get your site up and running in no time. Setting up your site is a breeze even if you're not a tech wizard. Still not convinced? How about some peace of mind? Hostverge is committed to building trust with their users. They provide transparency about their server infrastructure and resource allocation. You know exactly what you're getting. Plus, their dedicated support team is always ready to help with any platform-specific issues. And if you're looking for more, they offer additional features like website builders, marketing tools, and SEO optimization. It's an all-in-one solution. So what are you waiting for? Give your website the ultimate companion with Hostverge's lifetime WordPress hosting. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer today. Trust me, it's a deal you can't miss. Thanks for watching.